Welcome back. Now we are going to do the second subsection of the first numerical in the fifth exercise of pair of linear equations in two variables. So the question is, do the following pair of linear equations have a unique solution, no solution, or infinitely many solutions? First you have to identify which one it is. In case there is a unique solution, find it by using cross multiplication method. So if there is a unique solution, you have to find it by using cross multiplication method. Now for cross multiplication method, if I have equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, then I have three cases. The first case is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. If all the three ratios are equal, then it has infinite solutions. Infinite solutions. Second case, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2. First two are equal, but not equal to c1 by c2. Then there is no solution. If this is the case, then there is no solution. Third one, a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. There itself it is not equal. Then it has a unique solution. In this case, you have a unique solution. So we will check that for our equation. So in our equation, what is a1? a1 is 2. What is b1? b1 is 1. And what is c1? c1 is minus 5. Why did I get minus 5? Because 5, when you take it on the other side, it will become minus 5. So I'm writing this equation as 2x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. So c1 is minus 5. Second case, a2 is equal to 3, b2 is equal to 2, and c2 is minus 8. Why minus 8? Because I took 8 on the other side. So 3x plus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. So now I will check a1 by a2. What is a1 by a2? 2 by 3. b1 by b2. b1 by b2 is 1 by 2. So a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Since it is not equal, therefore it has unique solution. It is as a unique solution. In our list, third condition is satisfied. It has a unique solution. Done. Now, if it has a unique solution, we know how to find x and y. How to find x? x1 is bc2 minus b2c1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So substitute b1 1 into c2 minus 8 minus b2 b2 is 2 into c1 c1 is minus 5 divided by a1 a1 is 2 into b2 b2 is 2 minus a2 a2 is 3 into b1 b1 is 1. So x becomes minus 8 minus into minus plus, so plus 10 divided by 2 into 2 4 4 minus 3 minus 8 plus 10 is 2, 4 minus 3 is 1. So x is equal to 2. We got x is 2. Now we need to find y. To find y, what is the formula? C1a2 minus C2a1 divided by denominator is the same. A1b2 minus A2b1. So very simple. Start with b1 c2 minus b2 c1. Here start with c1 a2 minus c2a1. Just a unique cycle. A, B, C. If you start with B, go to C. If you start with C, go to A. So we started with b1 c2, b2 c1. We started with C, A, c1 a2, c2 a1. Denominator is the same, A into B, but 1 into 2. A1 into b2 minus a2 into b1. Now substitute for y. C1, what is our C1? Minus 5. Minus 5 into A2. A2 is 3. Minus C2. C2 is minus 8 into A1. A1 is 2. Divided by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. That is the same. 2 into 2 minus 3 into 1. So what is y now? Minus 5 into 3 is minus 15. Minus into minus plus. So it will become 8 into 2, 16 plus 16 divided by 4 minus 3. Minus 15 plus 16 is 1. 1 divided by 1, y is equal to 1. So this is how you find x and y. But for this, first you have to identify if it's a unique solution or not. How to identify? Three conditions. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2, infinite. First two are equal. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, but not equal to C1 by C2, no solution. If A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, then unique solution. Write down the values. A1 is 2, B1 is 1, A2 is 3, B2 is 2. When you check, A1 by A2 is 2 by 3, B1 by B2 is 1 by 2. It is not equal, therefore it has a unique solution. Once you know it's a unique solution, you can find x. X is start with B1, B1 C2 minus B2 C1 divided by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Substitute 1 into minus 8, minus 2 into minus 5. So 1 into minus 8 becomes minus 8, minus 2 into minus 5 becomes plus 10. Denominator 2 into 2, 4, 4 minus 3, 1. So minus 8 plus 10 is 2, 2 by 1. X is 2. Y start with C, C1 A2 minus C2 A1 by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. That is equal to minus 5 into 3 minus B minus 8 into 2. That's minus 15 plus 16, 1. 4 minus 3, 1. So y is 1 by 1. Y is equal to 1. Very simple, as in the introduction class that we did. This also works out the same way. You want x, x coefficient is a. So start with y, b. See, b. You want y, start with the next. Y coefficient is b. What is the next to that? C. Start with c. So x start with b, y start with c. 1. b1, automatically you know c2. If you just remember the starting point, it's enough. b1 for x. For y, c1. So next will be a2. Same cycle, but A2. That's all the idea is.